You were gonna go on green.
Yay!
Oh, I'll put you on green too, don't try.
The green weenies.
What?
What? Shoot you? Okay. Pow, pow, pow.
Don't do that.
Ooh, that was close. Hit.
Bang bang.
There's no bang bang rules. That was a chicken fight.
Are you jumped over the window? Hit, 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 hit. Oh, they shoot you? No.
I instinctively covered it because I knew you guys. No, dude, this is what happened. I ran. I knew you were gonna shoot me in the. I went down here. You hit my hand.
Okay.
I saved myself. Zach!
Yeah.
Quit running! You son of a bitch! Ah! Ah!
Kill confirmed.
No, you don't. You got me too.
I saw your skeleton glove, dude.
I was gonna stealth kill you.
Around. Oh, my nipple.
Ah! My leg! I'm orange. Oh, oh God! Why are you aiming here? The aim is down that way.
Game will end in 10,
that.
Take you wonder by wonder. Oh, ow! Ow! Right when I was recording. Under, sideways, and under. Magic carpet ride. A whole new world. I'm actually scared. A new fantastic point of view. Ow! Oh shit, buddy! Ow, that hurt.
Oh, that shit hurts.
Oh, that was right in the right in the fat. A whole new world. A whole new world.
Shut up!
Why are you using a flashlight? I thought I hit you the first shot. Where's the third one? Oh shit, I'm nervous now. Where's the third one? Watching right. Is he in there? Flashing. Keep pressure, keep pressure, keep pressure. Zach, it's clear, it's clear. Zach, it's clear, let's move up.
Dead man walking, dead man walking.
Where?
No, I ain't trying to hold you. Michael, behind you.
Shut up.
Behind you.
What's there?
Behind the barrel.
Which barrel?
It's hard to tell from here.
That's my homeboy Zach. Ha ha! Gotcha. Yeah.
So quiet. Ceasefire! Heads out. Area. Literally, the first thing is on the side.
Fight.
Target down.
Oh, this is so boring.
Ricochet back.
I saw your fabric. I was like, oh man.
I know, why you always aiming low?
No, because
You see? Center mass up here. Legs. Oh my god.
Player filling. Where were you?
Behind those barrels until you guys whip each other.
Yeah.
I was about to pop you.
Dead man. I would have Lenny'd you. 10 the wraps, Lenny.
お前はもう死んでいる。何？もうあたくびでギゼブ。
Oh my god! I'm sorry.
Objectives failed. This one's a wash.
I think I missed both those shots. Good stuff.
Holy you almost got me right here. I was like, oh shit. I tried sliding and knees on concrete. I'm like,
I was like, all right, let me run around, see where he'll be. All right, he's around here. That was funny. I had to reload midway too.
Me too.
I was like, oh.